Hi, this is Steph Garofoli from VidMob. Today we're at VidMob's headquarters in New York City. I will be speaking with Susan Posner, who is a Senior Partnership Development Manager at Amazon Advertising. This is a VidMob Pop-In. It is so great to be here with you today in New York City. The city is finally coming back to life. I know that you're a native New Yorker. How long have you lived here?
I'm actually originally from Queens, and I've been living in the East Village for a little over 7 years.
So Amazon is obviously a huge organization. Can you talk a little bit about the team that you're a part of and then your role specifically?
I am part of the Global Advertising Partner Development Team. The Global Advertising Partner Development Team, as we call it, GAPD, helps suppliers, agencies, marketers, authors, content creators, designers, advertisers, and developers scale their use of Amazon advertising worldwide.
Our clients are just so hungry to learn about Amazon advertising and how to best leverage all of your products.
Amazon advertising has been hard at work, improving the products that will help drive brand and product discoverability on Amazon. We work to understand how consumer decision-making is evolving.
Totally agree. We have found this to be super consistent across our client base. They're really looking to you all for a full funnel strategy.
When combined, our free and paid solutions help marketers build their brand on Amazon, get their products seen, create those lasting relationships with shoppers. This all starts with the store, which is the home for brands on Amazon and a place to highlight full product catalogs sold on Amazon.
It's been so amazing to watch Amazon develop such a robust set of ad products and just do it so quickly. Can you talk a little bit about Amazon Posts specifically and how advertisers are leveraging that product?
We launched Posts in beta in 2019, and it's a new way to help drive brand and product discoverability and consideration with curated lifestyle imagery in a shoppable feed.
And what about live streams?
We will also enable marketers to showcase their live streams on Amazon Live to shoppers who are browsing their stores.
That's super interesting, and I promise I will let you ask me a question. I know I've been grilling you. One more thing, can you talk a little bit about Amazon's paid solutions and what you guys are offering today?
Yes, posts and live streaming are part of our free branded content solutions, but we have paid solutions too. Marketers can now use sponsored brands ads, either static image or video, to amplify their brand stories and inspire shoppers as they browse for products on Amazon. Sponsored Brands has already expanded beyond the shopping results to product detail pages, mobile home pages, and this year on desktop. Since we're on the topic of ad products, I'd like to know what you guys at VidMob are seeing in terms of creative performance and media mix. How are you measuring it?
That's a great question. VidMob was a beta participant for the launch of Sponsored Brands videos, so naturally our clients are coming to us a lot for that product. But now what we're seeing are clients coming to VidMob and using us across all of Amazon's ad products, whether that's stores, whether that's DSP creative, whether that's OTT or over-the-top creative. Right now we're seeing advertisers really making that leap from static-based and display-based creative to more creative and video-based products on Amazon. And we've been able to show a lot of advertisers how they can take just a few product shots and create really immersive, really engaging stores or videos for SPV. And then on the measurement side of the house, we're actually just starting our integration with Amazon's Creative Asset Library API. Once we have this integration completed, we will be able to measure creative effectiveness across all of Amazon ad products. What this integration will do, will be able to help us measure and tell advertisers what specifically in their creative is either driving or hindering their performance on Amazon, and then we'll be able to optimize their creatives using our production capabilities.
On the topic of Sponsored Brands video, we've seen this product grow in popularity as brands embrace this video format. Can you talk a little bit about what interesting things you guys are doing creatively with Sponsored Brands video?
Yeah, we're seeing the full spectrum of creatives across SPV. As I mentioned before, we're seeing some advertisers that are just coming to us with a few assets or just a few product shots that we're optimizing for SPV. In other cases, we see advertisers coming to us with a robust set of assets. Sponsored Brands videos is without a doubt our fastest growing product from an adoption standpoint. Shifting gears here, one of the newest developments that our clients are super excited about is our ability in being able to measure the creative drivers of purchase conversion on Amazon. This is done through our integration with Amazon's Attribution API. This is a groundbreaking capability for us. For the first time ever, advertisers can optimize creative to improve their retail outcomes. What is Amazon's perspective on Amazon Attribution, and what are you personally most excited about?
We launched Amazon Attribution because we know that shoppers discover products across channels outside of Amazon, whether that's paid ads across search or social, or even organic campaigns through a brand's owned email list or blog. As you mentioned, advertisers can use tools to measure how those non-Amazon campaigns lead to shopping activity and sales on Amazon. We've talked a lot over the years about getting holistic measurement, but now we're seeing providers like VidMob actually offering top-of-funnel metrics alongside lower funnel metrics in one place. It really feels like the step forward we've needed to help advertisers close the loop on their advertising measurement. I'd love to hear a bit more about how your clients are using Amazon Attribution and the business impact you've seen across your client base.
Amazon Attribution has been a really exciting development for our clients. What we were able to do is layer this integration on top of our integrations with Facebook and Google, which gives us the ability to tell advertisers how to optimize their Google and Facebook creative to drive more sales across Amazon. So for the first time ever, marketers can now understand exactly how their creative decisions and campaign performance on those sites affect sales on Amazon.
Are you seeing new types of marketing functions and roles emerge, like creative performance managers?
One of the things that we have started to see is the rise of what we're calling data storytellers. These are folks that can not only look at and understand what the numbers are telling them from a statistical standpoint, but can also help translate that information into just more simple, more actionable recommendations for the rest of their organization. For such a long time, creative has just been a black box, and we're making real progress to help marketers just unlock that. Well, thank you so much for coming here and being here. Welcome to VidMob, and we're excited to continue the amazing work that we're doing through the partnership.
Likewise, thank you.